Bullis Student Tutor, and in this video we will be talking about how laws are passed in the United States. First, a quick overview. What is a law? A law is a system of rules which a country uses to regulate the actions of its members, and it may enforce these rules by imposition of penalties. The first step is that a representative of the House of Representatives sponsors a bill. A sponsor is someone who presents the bill to a legislature for consideration. A bill can be introduced whenever the House of Representatives is in session. The bill will be sent to one of the 20 committees in the House of Representatives. There are often hearings where the committee will hear from witnesses speaking about the bill. People can also send amendments which the committee can accept or deny. Vocab word break. Does anyone know what amendment means? We'll reveal the answer in 3, 2, 1, to add on to. Now that the bill is cleaned up, it is ready to vote on by the House. There are sometimes rules that tell us how much time can be spent on debating. Different members may speak about the bill, and the amendments may also be debated. Key note: do you notice how the number of overseers of the bill increase as the bill grows? Onto the final House vote. All members vote on whether they want the bill passed or not. The majority vote is what stands, but it's not over yet. The bill now moves from the House side to the Senate side. There is again a Senate committee that reviews the bill. If the Senate wants to make any edits, it must be sent back to the House and be passed in the House again and then sent back to the Senate. Finally, the Senate votes to pass or reject the bill. They must reach a majority of at least 51 votes. If it's passed, it's considered enrolled. Lastly, it's up to the President's consideration. They can sign it, veto it and return it to Congress, pass it without a signature, or pocket veto it, meaning not signing it and keeping it until it's too late to deal with. And that's how law either gets passed or it doesn't get passed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out other videos on our channel. Bye!